Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Education. So in this video we can see how to create thumbnail for our YouTube videos. So before going to video, can you please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel. So many people telling they are using some apps and some sites, but we can use PowerPoint. Then we can create the thumbnail very easy and simple process. So let's get into the video. So for that I will open PowerPoint. Once PowerPoint open, I will explain about these all things another video. If you want, you can see our channel. So let's get into open the blank page. So here we can go new slide page left one and select the blank page. So once you select here, then we are going to create the how to download the apps from the net. So how to download and install apps from net. So that's why. So for that we need to download some photos. So even if you created the any thumbnail in app also, you have to download some pictures. So it's going to open new tab. So here we can search install symbol. So here we have to search free install symbol because some pictures have the pay mean copyrights, so that's why. Once open, it will open like this. Go to images. So here there is a lot of pictures, but you need to select carefully. So I will go with this save image. I'll give one. So save. So again I'm searching here is the app. Here I mention app simple images. So you can select anyone, like I can select this one. Once you select, come back and drag the pictures here and another one. So you can drag any another man pictures. So like this. So we can drag this letter, just delete. So first we will add here some text. So increase font size, so do like this. So if you want, select or like this, come to print, select, give the color change. And give man picture like anything. So once you fix like this, so select anything, so it's not good. So once like this, you can cut this image by using the snipping. For snipping app, you can search, go search bar, you can search here, yes, knife. So snipping tool. Once you can see here new, select new and drag this one, this aside and go to like this. So then you can save this, save as. Save as desktop, capture to, like whatever you want to give, then save. Okay, once done, you can see like this. So once done, it's go to back, that's it. So this is how we can do thumbnail very easily. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.